Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I don't think it's as big as the last one was. However, there are still some items here. First, I'll start off with finding the foam decor pieces that you'll find at Dollar Tree. I have heard from some of you that there are white ones and black ones. I haven't seen any of those at my stores, only the orange. I want to share with you as well to keep in mind when you're purchasing these, if you're repurposing them and they're going to be painted over with acrylic, make sure you buy some that are, these are made with like 2 pieces of foam compressed together and then glued. So make sure that the ones that you're purchasing, the seams are nice and tight. I have seen some that are a little bit lopsided, or there's this big gap, like a big hole or a gap in between. I don't like the way it looks after you've painted it and there's like this big open spot. You want your DIY or your pumpkin to look nice and finished and polished nicely. So definitely make sure that you're finding things where the seams are nice and solid. So I grabbed 2 of those. I also purchased some of this beautiful ribbon. I asked you guys which one you liked better. I love the little pumpkins. They also had a green, a whole bunch of them just not too long ago, and they sold so fast. So as soon as you saw them, if you didn't buy them, they were gone. This is a nice wide ribbon. It's about 3.5 inches wide. It's absolutely gorgeous. So there's that one there, and then I also grabbed the little orange pumpkins like this with the clips. And I also hear that there are, and I have not seen them, they're like a little unicorn for me, the cream color or white ones. I never see them over the years, and I know that they're out there somewhere. And considering I'm like always in the Dollar Trees, I don't know how I've missed them. But there are these 3 orange ones in a pack, and then the cream color. And again, you can easily spray paint these, or yeah, you can spray paint them or acrylic paint them, but they're really easy to manipulate. Oh, by the way, they had a whole bunch of the little pillows again on an end cap, a whole bunch. Oh dear, make sure that my color is coming through there. See, do you see that? So there's like this little cream. I purchased this pumpkin and it has like a sunflower print. It's really pretty with the little delicate flowers, and it's it's cream color. I think that's showing up a little bit better. The little orange stem, you can change that of course, and you can even remove this if you don't like it. You can just paint over it. So yeah, there's just this cute little pumpkin. I absolutely love it, and it's gonna go with that one. Wanted to share with you, if you saw in my shop with me, I shared a ton of new potpourri bags. They had purple and blue and natural, I think green. Dollar Tree really stepped up their game with their potpourri bags. I don't use them as potpourri, but as you can see in the background, I did a DIY last fall and shared with you exactly how to put this together using these. Awesome product. Like, honestly, highly recommended if you're doing anything for Christmas or for fall. You can easily, like, they have these beautiful pieces in here that you can easily take that. If you don't like the natural, you can spray paint it after and give it a totally different look. You can spray paint it white and it still has all of those natural, like maybe a little bit of a peek through. Lots of things you can do with it, but I highly recommend if you are looking to do DIYs, check out that. Maybe that will give you some inspiration to even an acorn or a Christmas tree or something of that sort, and then manipulating it and using it as a piece of decor. And it looks really high end. I don't think, like, I look at it and I'm like, I would never think that's from Dollar Tree. Woodcraft cubes, 36 pieces, and woodcraft cubes, 12 pieces. I pointed this out and then I purchased them. These are the little cubes with the holes, and then they had bigger ones like this without the holes, and then they had the small ones, and I needed the little ones to work with my Jenga blocks, the building blocks. I call them Jenga, they're not, they're the building blocks, but you get what I'm talking about. And these are wonderful for DIYs as well. I love that the cashier who bagged this for me put this together in a little plastic. I don't know, it makes it feel so like Michael's. And these are all things from Michael's. So there's the AC sticky thumb. I am hoarding these because I'm like, I'm going to regret it if I don't buy them while they're at Dollar Tree. They're all by the Recollections Company, and this is all Michael's. There's this long with the little, they're so perfect for junk journaling and things. I got these ones, the mini pockets. So cute for junk journaling. Many thanks, journaling cards. And then there's like a variety of them inside, and I even got this card making kit, and it has like all the cut out flowers and all the pre-cut stuff to make cards. So check out your end caps because Dollar Tree still has quite a bit of them, and I'm just hook me up because I will regret not buying them if I don't get them then. Also, Grabbed a couple more of these Special Moments 4x6. They're like a wood finish. These are beautiful for making like a display, terrarium, maybe for Christmas, even putting like, I think I have an idea. So I was thinking of putting these on the ends, creating like a frame type effect, and then like the little Christmas trees. Give me some time to think that one through, but that's something I have hopefully coming up soon. Powerade Zero Sugar. Bought this for my son because he just likes this purple stuff, and as a treat, why not? And I got a little Halloween house and welcome friends. I don't really love this, but I just thought the pumpkin might come in handy because I purchased these pumpkins. So it's like, oh, the textures, ouch, the wood just hurt me. I think I gotta pinchies, ouch. Okay, so there's this beautiful dimension on this pumpkin, but see, like the textures would probably come like, even this one is also textured and 3D'd at the front, but I was thinking like, even if I don't know, I have, you know, sometimes I think of things but like reversing them and somehow doing stuff like that, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, if you don't buy it, when you see it and you have an idea, you know it will be gone the next time you go in. This is the pitted dates. These are wonderful for making little protein power balls, I guess. If you like to mix some almonds in here, peanut butter. I like almonds. It's up to you. Coconut if you like, stuff like that. I do have a recipe, and then I blend it up in the food processor and I roll them into, they look like little meatballs and they taste delicious. Okay, I grabbed some more of these baggies. I absolutely am so drawn to them, the cotton drawstrings, because of just the gift bag thing. Anyways, I'm going to share with you. So here's a drawstring bag. This one's 14 by 11.5 inches and it has like this theme going on. And then this one is 11.5 by 8.5. So it's a little bit smaller. For Christmas, how cute would this be if you could, you know, DIY? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a backpack. I didn't realize that. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so that's a backpack. And then this one here, let's open it up because I've been dying to see what it'll look like. Oh, it's really tiny. But you know what? It's still cute. Like, okay, so if you have, I'm thinking, I shared with you the sponge, that orange flat sponge. Looks high-end. And I had been in Marshall's and I saw them for $9.99. And so if I get one of those sponges and then get a really nice bath, like a soap, a hand soap or something, I think, or shower soap, maybe not because that's a little bit too personal. Anyways, I'm thinking in my head. Anyways, I'm thinking like a really nice one of those sponges and a nice spa type themed package. I think I'm gonna tie it up like this and give it this year in little gift, as little gifts. Did you guys see my gift baskets last year? A lot of you were commenting that you loved it and you had some really good ideas. I'm wondering if it'll be beneficial this year to run through. See, I start collecting things now so that I can put together beautiful packages for Christmas. And everything I use, I 100% every single thing in that video, except maybe, I think I got a pack of hair elastics from Dollarama, but you can find them at Dollar Tree anyways, and I bought pasta and coffee as part of like a huge basket that I had made with all Dollar Tree things. It was just additional. The pasta and the coffee was from from Marshall's, but otherwise everything, every single little thing, elf products, bath products, was from Dollar Tree. And so it might benefit you to check out that video. I'll link it down in the description below so that you can start kind of coming up with ideas for budget friendly Christmas gifts. I don't think I spent more than 15, I think it was like maximum $18 per basket. And I'm telling you, there was like some baskets were with elf products, and for some of the teen baskets, I made boy themed baskets, girl themed baskets, I made family baskets, I made unisex baskets. I didn't spend more than $18. The basket carrier itself was from Dollar Tree, and then all the goodies that went in. I don't think I spent more, no more. Some of them were like $5 and they were valued at like $40 because a lot of the things you could find at other stores that I had found at Dollar Tree. So anyways, I hope you find, if you guys are finding maybe that you're stuck on what to do for Christmas, or you're not doing Christmas, whatever it might be, check out the video. If it helps you, it helps you. If it doesn't, that's okay too. But I'm thinking I might do something similar this year. Yeah, I might do something similar while I'm putting together stuff. And some of my ideas are going to come from these little baskets. So yeah, anyways, I'm excited. So see, something like this would be really cute in that little basket. These are the Franco Sarta. They're a lot more expensive elsewhere. These are not going to be United Legwear Company. These are not Dollar Tree items. So I guess what I do with Dollar Tree is I don't specifically search for Dollar Tree brand things like the Greenbrier brand. I will look for brand names at Dollar Tree. So instead of just the Jot line, I'll look for Zebra or Papermate and things like that. So yes, I purchased it at Dollar Tree. You can purchase it elsewhere, but the things that I make my gift baskets are usually brand name things that I find at a good price at Dollar Tree. So that's how I like to do my things. I don't know if that's how you guys like to do it, but when I label it as Dollar Tree, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be Dollar Tree brand. It's just that I've purchased things at Dollar Tree and hope that you guys can find them too. This is a really nice item as well to throw into a little package. I mean, even if you don't wear heels, sometimes these kinds of things just help. This is one of those heel liners. So it goes into the back of your, doesn't matter, runners, heels, whatever it might be. I love having these for my heels because it just prevents blisters or anything, although my shoes usually fit me perfect, so I don't really have major blisters. But sometimes when you're just breaking into a new pair of shoes, it's nice to prevent anything from happening. Again, these are for my low riding sneakers. I don't like to go into my shoes without a pair of socks, and these ballet socks are amazing. And look at this. It has gripper all along, like all along. In the back of the heel, it has grip, non-slip, and it even has little grippers here, so if you're walking around the house, they don't slide. Really nice, and they are amazing texture. Like, it's not like a cotton, it's an elastane and nylon. I don't know how to, it's like a nylon, like it's like pantyhose, but not, it's like stretchy. They're so cute and so good. So anyways, I'm gonna, I think, pick up some more because I did see them at my other store. I brought some dry floral foam. I'm hoping to do some DIYs with it, so we'll see how that goes. I got some more of these dot labels because I don't always find them, and when I do, I'm like, oh, I better grab another pack. I love these for my stamping, blending, inking stuff as my samples. If you've seen, I've done some projects on and share with you how I've put together my color swatches for my inks. So that's in the, I'm in my craft stuff. I'll put it in the description down below too if you're interested in seeing how I organize that stuff. Gildan t-shirt. This one's just black, and I bought this for my son because he can wear black. He can wear a black, white, or gray t-shirt underneath his school uniform sweater. So I like the fact that, I mean, I can't really beat the price. Gildan, is it the brand? The sun is playing games with me, so I apologize if I'm coming in and out with all sorts of shadows. I got one of these steel rulers for junk journaling. Yeah, so it's getting cloudy. And I just want it so when I'm ripping paper, I'm not using my paper trimmer or cutter for a perfectly seamless trim. I want it to be like jaggedy and stuff, so I'm hoping that this will do the trick for me. The little bones, aren't they cute? Halloween bones. I had to buy these. I just love the prints. Is that right? Yeah, there's sunflowers, but the pumpkins are just stunning, and you can decoupage this on wood. Even here's another idea. You can take this, and this is what I kind of like envision too. You can take, see, these are dimensional here. You can take a piece of the napkin and decoupage it onto here, and then with a nail file or a sandpaper, you can just make sure that you don't glue it onto the bottom, just glue it onto the tops. And so then you would have like this gorgeous piece of art almost on your pumpkin. Or turn it around and use the back, but I wouldn't. I would use the front because it's just got that dimension and it would look so beautiful. It kind of gives it like 3D effect. Retractable pens. Okay, I promise. I know. I've been promising you guys this for a long time. I will do a pen review. I will. It will come, okay? So retractable pens, these are the Pro Marks, Comfort Grip, and they're gel ink. And are these 1.6? Ooh, 1.6. No. Can it be? No, these are 0.7. I'm like, I don't like thick pens, so why would I buy these? 0.7. And these are the black ink 1 mm. And then these are the Super Glide. Cello, I believe, was owned at one point by Bic. I'm not 100%, but I feel like there was something connected to that, and these are supposed to be really nice. So again, I will do some paper testing for you guys. Maybe once the fall hits and I'm indoors a little bit more, I'll sit down and play with my pens. And then this little cutting board that you can do so many things with, like you can vinyl it on the one side and then use it as a cutting board. These are a huge hit for the DIY community. The elves that are out, I'll put a little video too of that. The elves are out, and so are the gnomes, gorgeous gnomes. I shared with you in a previous Dollar Tree haul and a previous walkthrough. So many beautiful things out right now at Dollar Tree. I don't know if you have anything on your wish list that you're looking for, or if there's things that maybe you see in a haul that you're looking for. Anyways, or that you've bought and you love and you're like, oh my gosh, everyone needs this. Let us know down below. Okay, 2 cookie sheets. I have a couple DIYs in the making that are going to need this. So they're textured. I don't know if you can see that. The sun has now decided to come in and wash me out. And then there's the white. This one is massive. It is a 12 by 16 and perfect as well for like a DIY or look how big it is. Anyways, it's wonderful if you have a cutting machine and then you need to vinyl and make like a DIY sign with it and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my not so big. It was a decent size haul. I hope you guys enjoyed and that you have been enjoying the shop with me. Let me know if you do like these haul videos and if you find them helpful. I know a few of you were giving me some feedback, so here I am sharing all the hauls again with you guys. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. The leaves are turning brown. Soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.